Hello everyone, how are you all? We hope that everyone's in good health. We are back with another unboxing and review video. Previously, you have seen an unboxing review about our newly launched male watch, Sveston Esh. We are pleased to announce a new watch edition in female category under the name of Sveston Esh. The most important thing about our every product is that we dispatch your order to your doorstep in a very attractive and premium packaging, as shown on your screens. Curious about what's included in the packaging? Let us guide you. First, you will find a customer's handbook that shows a welcome note, which says, "Welcome to the family of Sveston." Then, there is a certificate of authenticity, which has a stamp that shows the product you bought from us is original and authentic. Additionally, you will find using instructions for your easiness. You will also get a certificate of warranty, which shows warranty expiration date through which you can claim your warranty against your article within a provided time. Our 1-year warranty claim includes water resistance, shipment damage, and manufacturing fault. Plus, you will get 1-year battery warranty. Isn't it valuable? Sure it is. So without wasting any time, let's get to the features of that watch. Sveston is a beautiful and dazzling watch. It has a speciality, which is crystals inside the dial and around the dial. These crystals make it look more attractive and graceful. It has a round dial, and at the back, Sveston logo is engraved. It has a stainless steel body. Case size is 31 mm and lug-to-lug distance is 37 mm. All our watches are 3 ATM water resistant, which means it is safe for any kind of splash, rain, and hand washing. The weight of this watch is so light, only 51 grams, and has a mesh band strap with fold-over deployment clasp, which makes it easy to wear. Sveston Esh is available in 25 different colors on our site. Some of the colors include black stone, purple rose stone, rose gold Roman, rose gold pink, silver green stone, and many, many more. It has hardened crystal glass, and once you receive your watch, it has a protective plastic cover on dial because we make sure that the product you ordered should reach you in a perfect condition. Talking about our product's stress testing, we say it's long lasting, and if by mistake it fell down from a reasonable height, it will not break easily. We hope that you will try this watch and will become a part of our Sveston family. Do share with us your experience after using it. We will wait for your response. We have also recently launched new option for gift wrapping with customized wishing messages. Now, you can also send our watches as a gift for any occasion to your loved ones. Why do we offer up to 70% discount? Well, it is very simple. There's no third-party seller involved in between our customers and us. We are the only manufacturer and retailers. That is the reason you can get our products discounted up to 70% off. If you want to check our previous unboxing videos, do click on the thumbnail above. For more reviews and unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you will not miss any of our videos. Have a nice day. See you next time. Ramadan Mubarak.